What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today we're gonna head to the seafood market to look some fish. May I try make some kung soup in the morning and also some roast fish later on with some jerk chicken and them thing there. Yeah, so just watch the vlog and don't go nowhere.
2,000 years later.
Kung soup in the morning, strong at the back. We'll eat some roast fish later on for dinner. Some jerk chicken pan the grill. Might throw a piece of pork pan it. We don't know yet what go on, but we're definitely gonna have some roast fish later on. A long time I ain't no roast fish. Wrap it up in a file paper and them thing there, the real Jamaican way. And we might do just a few escovitch style same way. A long time I eat that same way, because we're busy with work and all them things. Sometimes you don't really get to sit down and enjoy a good meal. You're always on the go, so we're free for the next couple of days, so we'll go treat ourselves and enjoy ourselves, eat some good food, some real Jamaican food. Yeah. Yes, guys, so we are here. We are at the seafood market. We're about to hop inside and show you what's going on. Well, we are leaving the seafood market and we got a decent amount of stuff. This is like, what? I think everything came up to $101, So we're gonna head home. Oops. Yeah, we're gonna head home and we're gonna head home right now, guys, and take a quick shower, head on the road. We're gonna run a few more errands. And then we might go to the mall for a little bit, take care of some business and then go up on the grill and cook some food. So keep watching the vlog. Yeah, man, so as you can see, I changed my clothes and everything. This is like 2 days after the seafood market because the weather, has been super crazy. Raining all day, almost every day. So, I didn't get a chance to do it. So it's kind of sunny right now and it's about to rain again, but I was like, I can't delay this video any longer. So we're gonna start off with the jerk chicken. The chicken is already clean. This is a whole chicken. It's already clean wash. Washed it with some lime juice and vinegar. Here I have some blended green seasoning. So we're gonna pour some on top. We're also gonna add some jerk paste, hot and spicy. This is gonna add a nice flavor to it. We're also gonna add some of my all-purpose seasoning blend. Give it a nice little mix, Right now the grill is nice and hot, Perfect temperature right now. Yeah, man. So after we kind of jerk the chicken done, we're gonna put on the fish. We need some butter, so we have to run to the store, get some butter, come back, wrap up the fish, then season it up, and put it on the grill same way. You know what I mean? Yeah, so gonna add in some more seasoning again. Because we don't want the jerk chicken to be fresh. We want it to be well seasoned, packed with a bunch of flavor and spices. You don't know. Yeah, man. See it, I may also poke some holes on it, like incisions and stuff like that. Just soak in the herbs them and spices, Yeah, man. So now we're going to drop on the chicken on the grill. Come in and see what I go on. Yeah, man, put it down. Ooh. So right now I have like 2 leg quarters, 2 breasts and 2 wings. You see me I say? Yeah. Pour some of that marinade on top. Nothing on waste, nothing on dash way. You see me I say? Yeah, so we're gonna let that char up a little bit, get a nice color to it, flip it over. And then we're gonna lower the heat and close down the grill, make it go and simmer, make it go and soak, because jerk is not a fast process. It's a slow process cooking. High heat at first just for char it up and then cook it down and make love to it. You see me I say? Nice and slow. Keep watching. Yeah man, so the chicken been on for about 5 minutes now, so we're gonna check to make sure we're not charred too much. Alright, that's still light, so we're gonna let that sit on the grill some more before we flip it over. Yeah man, same thing with the leg quarters them. You know, cause you know with jerk chicken, when it comes to jerk chicken, you need that dark brown char color, you know what I say? Yeah, so we're gonna let it cook for a little bit and then we'll flip it over, lock him done, and then we'll literally go run to the store because we need butter for the fish. And the store is like, what, 2 minute drive? 2 minutes away, so we're gonna run to the store, come back, wrap it up and make you know what I go on. You know what I say? So keep watching the vlog, don't go nowhere. Yeah man, so time to flip the chicken them, you know? See it there, you have a nice color. Flip them over right about now. Just like that. And we go lock it down. Make them go and slow cook later on. Add some red stripe to it or some Heineken. Whatever beer we can find in the whole in our fridge. I'll add that to it just to give it a nice moist jerk beer flavor, you know? I don't even know if that's a word, but beer flavor. Yeah. Butter. Butter. Sure. Where's the butter? Oh, up here. Yeah, up top.
Which one I get?
Can I get this one? This? Or
Get that one.
what, the sweet cream?
Yeah, you want unsalted or you want salted?
We get salted. So we got the butter, guys. Alright. So everything have the nice char color we want. So them here now, we'll take them off of the heat a little bit and set them aside. Same thing to the leg quarter them.
Oh.
Then once the two big snapper them here, you know. Yeah. Nice size. So them you know, you can fry them, steam them, but you have to have a big pot for them. So we decide we're gonna throw it on the grill, roast them Jamaican style. Yeah, so we already scale up the extra scale off it already and wash them a little bit and all that stuff, some vinegar earlier. So now we just go score the fish, you know, make some lines through it, and then we're gonna add a little jerk paste, a little Maggi season up, fish seasoning, some all-purpose blend. We'll stuff it with some fresh onion and some scotch bonnet pepper, wrap it up and throw it on the grill with some butter, keeping it simple. Yeah man. Drop some lines into it, you know. We'll add the seasoning between it all over the place. Alright. And we're just gonna do the same thing to the second one, you know. Alright. Season up time. It's not gonna work, you know, so I have to take off this, you know, season up the inside of the belly a little bit. So when you have them big fish, you have to make sure so they're well seasoned, you know. Yeah. Enough flavor in it. Then we're gonna add some of the all-purpose blend in it same way. Different flavor. Alright. We'll drop in some of the jerk paste pan, you know. Not too much, not overdo it. Yeah, that's good. Just a little bit. Just a little flavor. Not much. Alright. Now we're going to add in some onions in the belly. Add some flavor to it, you know. We have some scotch bonnet same way. The scotch bonnet here actually come from the tree in my backyard right here, you know. Yeah. We have some more scotch bonnet on this, some green one there. Yeah, man. Yeah. Fish we have pepper and flavor, you see me I say? Just drop it in the belly. Inside. Yeah. Just like that. Alright. So now we're gonna get the foil paper them ready. Okay, move that out that way. Alright, so we're gonna drop some butter. Spread it out. Yeah, man. Whoa. Drop on the fish there. Look at butter on top same way. I will take the time and wrap him and then put another foil paper on top.
I've been waiting on someone like you so long. Never really thought that I could fall in love. Told you, baby, listen, this ain't a commitment. Never knew that I would ever be so wrong. Checking out the ratchet girls in the beanie, staring at the.
Alright, so we'll put this on the grill now. See it there? Then on the grill. Now waste no time. That's it. Move them out of the way now. Jerk chicken them good to go. Make sure we have enough space. Alright, so we're gonna lock it down now. Alright, we'll take the chicken them off our grill. Bring them inside, chop them up a little bit. You know, and set them aside till the fish done. Yeah, and then we're gonna eat it with some rice and peas from yesterday, from Sunday. You see me I say? Yeah, keep watching. Yes guys, so we just take the two fish them off of the grill. Alright, they've been on the grill for about 15-20 minutes now, so we're gonna pop it open and see what I go on. You know what I say? Whoa, look on the steam. Oh god. Whoa. Look on the steam guys. Some of the skin come off on the foil paper there, so but when I watch that, our main concern is if it's cooked. And right now the way it's looking cooked. It's well seasoned. Look at that. Add some of the juice. Wow. Let's take a bite.
Hot.
Yo, this is piping hot guys, so I gotta be careful. The first bite was extremely hot, so I had to start the video over again. Yo, it's bad. Not too much spice, not too much seasoning, just balance, just right. You see me I say? We go let this kind of cool off, and we go put it up till later on. Now we go try out the jerk chicken with some rice and peas and some curry chicken what I make earlier. So gonna be curry chicken, rice and peas with some jerk chicken in some foam box. You see me I say? Real box food style, real yardman style. So let's go and watch the vlog. See you in a bit. Yeah man, so this is it right here. We have some rice and peas left over from yesterday, you know. Sunday, Monday they call it in Jamaica, or leftovers, whatever they call it, but we call it rice and peas. Yeah, and we have some salad on the side with some shredded carrot, some cabbage, you know, cucumber or cucumber, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, you know the drift. So while I was making the jerk chicken and the roast fish, I kind of whip up some curry chicken inside of the house, but I didn't actually do a recording of that because the lighting on the inside is not the best, and I want to make sure I give you a good quality video, so you know. But with that being said, we have the curry chicken and we have the jerk chicken. You see it? The jerk chicken is well seasoned. Trust me, most shouldn't taste it. But well seasoned, guys. You don't need no sauce, panny. You know? Wow. Really hard, man, food. Yeah, man, so the food sell off, food good, wicked, nice. Yeah, man. If you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more crazy recipes, beautiful recipes, you know, the best of the best. So, subscribe. See you in the next video.